drove back into Dalton with the devil in my jaw, a rusted Ford, a stitched up heart, and a badge that used to draw. The preacher clocked me from the steps, he knew I'd come undone. Said you always had a curse in you, boy, what have you become? Down where the tracks go black, where the freight don't run no more, where memories crawl through busted glass and ghosts lean on the door. I came for peace, but all I found was the fire I buried back. Ain't nothing ever comes out clean where the tracks go black. Used to sing on Friday nights at the bar off Granger Road. Now that sign just flickers dust where the wind don't even blow. I left her with a whisper and a secret she still keeps. Now the only song that plays round here is the one she sings in sleep. Down where the tracks go black, where forgiveness don't get said, just old men staring out the dark and drinking with the dead. I lit a match and tossed it in where my soul once had a crack, and I watched the flames climb cold and slow where the tracks go black. There's a bottle in my glove box and a map I never read, but you can't outrun the silence of the names that ain't been said. So I parked that truck and walked on down through the weeds and shattered glass, left my boots by the old rail bed.